Hello, today we are going to learn the a priori algorithm, that how to solve the a priori algorithms problems. So this is a question that is given. This is in that we can see the transactions are given. 4 transactions is given, and ID of transaction is given, and the number of items are given. Different items are given. So and there is also a support count is also given, that is 50%. So first of all we have to convert the support count into the fractions, so we can able to solve the further sums. For to converting the percentage to the fraction, there is a formula, that is number of transaction is multiplied by percentage of support count and divided by 100. Okay, so there is a 4 transaction, that is multiplied by 50, that is a percentage of support count, and 100 is by default, and you will get 2, and that is 2 is your support count now. And this is a support confidence which is given in the question, that is 70%. Now start solving the sums. So start with the first pair. In that you can see there are we have to make a one pair, so there are different given like 1 3 4 2 3 5. So from that we have to write all the items, and we have to count it how many times it occurs. Like 1 occurs 2 times, that is 1 and 2. 2 times it is occur, and 2 occurs 3 times, that is 1 2 2 and 3, and 3 occurs 3 times, that is 1 2 and that is 3 times here. Okay, so this time, and then we have to count the 4 how many times occur. 4 occurs only 1 times, and after that we will get all the points like that. Then we have to accept only those which is greater than or is equal to support count. Okay, 2 is greater than and equal to support count, so it is accepted. 3 is also accepted because it is greater than support count. Then 3 is also accepted, it is also greater than support count. 1 is rejected because it is less than the support count, so it is rejected. Now after rejecting all these things, we will get this. Okay, rejecting 4, we will get 1 2 3 5. Okay, now we will make a pair of 2 items. Okay, 1 2, like 1 2, then 1 1 1 and 2, then 1 and 3, 1 and 3, then 1 and 5. Like that we will make all the pairs for 2 2 and 3 2 5, then 3 5. Okay, after making this point, we will count that how many times it occurs. 1 2 occurs only 1 time, that is there. Okay, it occurs only 1 times. Okay, so it is come only 1 times. Okay, count is 1. And then 3 comes how many times? 1 3 comes 1 time, 2 times, so we will write 2 times. Okay, here you can see how it is occurred 2 times. There is 2 times 1 time, and there is 2 times 1 and 3, 1 3, so it is occurred 2 times. Like this we will count all the others number for 2 pairs, then we will get this count, we will get this count. Okay, after getting this count, we will accept only the number which is greater than or equal to 2, and reject all the count which is less than or less than support count. Okay, so while counting, it doesn't matter that it is 2 1 or 1 2 or 1, that just they have to be in a same cell or line. Okay, after rejection we will get for 2 pairs. For after rejection we will get this point. Now the pair of now we have to make a pair of 3 items together. Make it 2 1 3 2 1 3 5 2 3 5 2 3 and 5. Then accept only which is greater than, and reject which is less than. After rejection you will get this table. Now we can't make a pair of 4 items because we have only 3, so we can't make more pairs. So let's do the association rule. We will get a pair for association rule. Association rule said that A must be associated with B, and there is support count which is given in the question, that is 70%, and formula is A union B of all and support count of A. We will do like that. Then 2, we will make a pair like 2, then A2 will be A, then 3 5, then 3, then 2 5, 5, then 2 3. How many? times we can make the pad, how many possible pad that we make, that we have to make whatever that is possible, we have to make that pads. After making that pad, we are like, this is how this 2 comes. Let's see, this is a association of 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3, 5 is 2, 3, 5 is 2 count, so it is there 2 comes. Okay, how this 3 comes? 3 comes because there is only a, we have to count only a, 2. So let's see upward, where is it? 2, 2 is 3, so that's why this 3 comes. Where is that? This is a 3 that comes, that is 3. Like that we have to do for all these things. We have to first take a union, or this will come always same, only this will change. Okay, this a will change, and for this a we have to write something different. After solving, we will get in some fraction, convert them into the percentage by just looking into that. If it is 6, then 66. What is the remaining part? Then make them in percentage. 1, then it will be 100, like that. Try to do that percentage. After converting it to percentage, you will as the support confidence is given is 70%, so equal to greater than 70% only accepted. So saturated pair is 235 2 by 2 100, 352 is 2 by 2 100. Okay, that's all about a priori algorithm. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.